All right, y'all. We at R&B Dogs today, and we gonna do a live review at the new Showtime Food Truck Park out here in Memphis, Tennessee. Let them see it. Yeah. It's located on Summer Avenue.
Gonna get some food, gonna get some burgers.
Yeah, we gonna get these R&B dogs, bro. You know what it is. You gotta have a hand sanitizer, bro. Are we recording?
Yeah, we recording.
Okay.
Stay sanitary, folks. Always wash your hands before you eat.
We'll have some disinfectant, man. You know what I'm saying? It was some free sliders, so you know what I'm saying. We had to partake in the free sliders, man. You know what I'm saying? Free sliders. See what they're talking about.
I like it.
Yeah, this is a nice little, entree.
I might gotta get some honey mustard on it.
Damn. All right. This is starter show right here, though. Ooh-wee. The starter show, baby. We're going to see what it's talking about.
But first, I'm tired of the fries.
We're going to try the fries out first.
Ketchup on it. You got the seasoning on it. Alright. Got the season. Got the season on this fry. Let's test it out. Oh yeah. That's it. It's crispy, soft, have the flavor, and with the ketchup, it's a duo pack for sure. I'll get the fries, in my opinion, I give it an 8 out of 10. It's pretty good. What was your rating?
I'm with you. Same thing. Now we're gonna try out this burger, man.
Yes.
It's all looking all good and garlicky, man. I gotta get them. I gotta put some G-roll on this.
It's hot. All right, y'all. I want y'all to see this burger.
Buttery, man. Hold this thing up, man. Woo-hoo. Let's go.
All right, try to test it out. Hold on. Countdown.
10 out of 10. You heard what he said, man. He said 10 out of 10, man. He said 10 out of 10. I'm still on the fries, bro.
Let me put some ketchup and mustard on it.
I already know what the burger hitting on. He ain't never lied.
Never.
And he a tough critic.
Back.
He's not gonna just say something just because he gonna tell the truth.
I'm a mean it.
What's the best smash burger in Memphis?
Back.
I don't know nobody else that can compare to that.
Nobody.
The thing about it is, it's got flavor.
Back. I mean, look at the fries, y'all. The fries.
And the burger, man, it's not just a patty with the meat. It's got season. The bun got flavor. Even the cheese, everything is just.
Like the cook came in this kitchen and cooked up a great banger of food. Mars burgers, with the fries, fire. I'll give this whole thing. In my opinion, I like it. This is something I would eat if I could on a daily basis. Give me a soda with this, I'm tearing this up. Easy.
9 out of 10. You heard it. He'll be back again, man. Let's go. R&B Dog, Showtime Food Truck Park. This be one, brian1.com. Good eat. All right.